Hi! Paano po ba magpadala from BPI online to Cebuana Lhuiller? Napakadali lang po. First, go to bpi2cash.com if you are using laptop or desktop. But if you're using mobile naman, you can just open your BPI app, or kung wala pa po kayong app, simply download it from Play Store or App Store. And then when you open the BPI app, just scroll up and you will see a window there that says BPI to cash, and then it will lead you to open up a browser, and ganito rin po yung makikita, same interface, same UI, and then you can just simply enter the amount right away. So I'll make one for you to see, and then make sure that you will enter the correct amount, and then notify or notice that there is a service fee which is 99 pesos per transaction. So ano po ba sa tingin nyo? Is it too much, or is it fair? Is it okay lang yung 99 given na hindi na kayo lalabas, no? And one advantage siguro na compare nyo is you cannot go out na. You may not go out and save time, and also reduce the risk of you being exposed to the virus. Currently, as of the time of this recording, there's a pandemic. No? So, is 99 pesos fair for you, or what do you think? Just comment below. And then make sure that the receiver's name match up to the receiver's ID upon pickup. So, better to notify them in advance, ask them in advance kung correct yung spelling, ano yung middle initial nila especially, and then correct yung mga details. So, include suffixes. Please note, yung mga junior, senior, the third, and then receiver's mobile number ay updated din. So, I'm gonna enter, and then, once you enter the receiver's mobile number, check this tick box which says, I certify that the recipient name are final, no? Take note, final po ito. May mga nagko-comment po kasi sa ating previous video na hindi makuha, hindi matanggap. So, just make sure na tama yung mga details na nilagay ninyo. I understand that this cannot be changed once the transaction is completed. So, tingnan natin. Just certain amount, and then select a partner to continue. Make sure na pipiliin nyo po kung saan dito sa dalawa. So, I'll select Cebuana Lhuiller for us to see how it looks. And then click next. Ito po ang advice ko. It will open up a pop-up window. Really put an email, no? An email address. I think ngayon hindi ka na makaproceed without putting it, because it will help store the transaction code. Napaka-importante po ito, so that your receiver can receive it, or in case yung iba kasi after this hindi nila mas screenshot yung transaction code. So it's better to really put that email so that you can also follow up. You can correct maybe in the future, or yung mga possible na and then click BPI online, and then it will nudge again the login code, which will lead you to open up your BPI online account. Okay, so input your username and your password, and click accept if you do. And if you do agree, just wait for a little bit, and it says BPI registration successful. Close window now. Alright, and then it will allow you to choose what account will you get that amount from. So like sa akin, 500 plus 99, so 599. Make sure na yung account mo ay may sufficient balance na once it is deducted, it can suffice, no, yung amount na kukunin nyo. And then to proceed, a 6-digit code will be sent via SMS. Is this your number? So the first 3 and the last 3 digits of your phone will be given, and make sure na updated po ito. You have access it beside you, and then click send. So once you click send, there's a window there that you have to input the OTP, or the one-time PIN. So I have mine. Proceed. and it says cash sending processed. Okay, so what I do is usually to screenshot this, although I know na meron naman tayong sa email, pero it's also still better na meron tayong receipt, no? So I'm gonna screenshot this using my phone because hindi gumagana yung screenshot ko sa desktop. I think it's because of the screen recording. So once you get the copy, you send this to the receiver. So click done, and I'm gonna check my email. So ayan po ang email natin. Makikita natin yung confirmation number, which is the same. Yung reference code, ito, reference number, ito yung gagamitin ni receiver to claim that. Ang confirmation number naman is somehow an ID for your transaction. So pag hindi nyo po ito nakikita sa inyong email, just check your spam or pag you're using Gmail, the not important section sa baba. Kasi usually yung important emails yung nasa taas. So scroll down and mark this as important. So that's it. BPI to cash or to Cebuana Lhuiller. Feel free to follow, subscribe, click the bell button to my YouTube channel para makareceive po kayo ng tips, makatipid, makaiwas sa linya, maka-loan online, and many other business tips and finance tips for us to grow and build our wealth. Thank you very much. God bless you. John 3:16.